I do go in.
1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Oh, hey, yeah, look at this. This guy went
Flash
off.
flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Trenton, Ewing, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Bordentown, Yardley, Newtown, Towertown, Langmore, and Pemberton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 5 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 353 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 38 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 47 and 61 and near mile marker 76. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The following is a flood statement. Flood advisory is canceled for northern Burlington County. The threat from widespread flooding has increased over the area. Therefore, the flood advisory has been replaced by a flash flood warning.
Oh, shit.
Please refer to the bulletin for more information. The following is an excessive heat statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey: Inland Ocean, northwestern Burlington, and southeastern Burlington. Excessive heat warning.
It doesn't do the glitch anymore.
8 to 8 p.m. Thursday. What? Dangerously hot conditions for heat.
It fixed itself. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
On Wednesday and up to 10.
This is a colossal day, folks. The 100 works. Oh my god.